The Jamison BMP Dynamic Roll Door is designed to keep your team functioning at optimum safety and efficiency. All Jamison BMP Dynamic Roll Doors have the ability to self-repair. With soft bottomed edges and no rigid bottom bars, they are safe for your employees. The soft bottomed edge is inherently safe because there is no hard edge to impact personnel. The dynamic roll door requires very little maintenance. No lubricant is needed for the track system. Standard features include a photo eye, a stop-start button, and a hand crank for manual operation. Activation options include various motion sensors and pull cord switches. Additional safety options are also available, allowing for even more safety customization. Dynamic roll doors can be equipped with either a standard PVC curtain or an insulated PVC curtain. The tight ceiling track and curtain design provides stability, temperature control, and up to Class 4 wind resistance. The breakaway feature is designed to reduce the chance of damage due to accidental impact. If the impact knocks out the curtain below the reset notches at the top, the curtain will break away from the edges and automatically roll back into the track. If the impact knocks out the curtain past the automatic reset notches, the curtain can be easily reinserted into the top of the track. The versatile Jamison BMP Dynamic Roll Doors can be tailored to fit most environments. So give us a call today. At Jamison Door, we're much more than a better door.